So the first thing you need are the nail tips. You need these nail tips. You need the nail file. You need some glue. You need nail polish and nail polish remover. So first we'll file our nails. You can first cut your nails, then file it. We'll file our nails. After you file your nails, you need to buff your nails. Now we have buffed our nails. Now it's to push the cuticles. The nails come with this package, and inside there are different nails with different size. So we'll have to choose our size. Yes. So I've chose the nails that fit my nails perfectly, and as you can see, these are the nails that fit me perfectly. So I'll put this aside and we start now fixing the nails. So we'll start with this hand. This is our glue, by the way. And so we'll start with this hand, the left hand. So what I do, I just put the glue on the nail, then I press it on my nail. So we'll put some glue on the nail, then I press it. Don't put too much, just then always close your glue to prevent it from drying. Then what I do, I start with then press it for about a few seconds. Press it. So this is how the nails looks like. Let me fix this one, then I'll come back and show you the next step. This is how now mine looks like. So we're going to file the nails. So we want to remove, there's this sharp edge here. We want to remove it and give it a nicer shape. So let's do the nail polish. I've never tried this color, but let me see. I'll be applying 2 coats. Like I said, I'll be applying 2 coats so that the color can pop. This is the color. The last step is to remove any extra nail polish on your nails with a nail polish remover, and you're done. Very simple, easy way to do your nails at home. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment, share it with your friends. Until next time, bye bye.